Jirang MLA Sosthenes Sawton has expressed concerns over the devastating impact of a cyclonic storm that struck the Jirang constituency on Sunday evening. Addressing the media, Sawton highlighted the extensive damage inflicted upon homes, standing crops and farmers' plantations across various villages under the Jirang constituency. Sawton also engaged with the Block Development Officer of Jirang Block and the Deputy Commissioner of Rebhoy, emphasizing the urgent need to expedite relief funds for the affected families. He stressed the importance of timely assistance reaching those in need.
Video pada page ya ka Jirang Block ngalayo ban ya keren batki ban hab ban le ya ka assessment ke babiang bat kumju bagin pha ya ka relief ke ba kloi na ke banta kini ki pajba ki bala syakta tenglayo ru ke je keren batu Deputy Chief Minister bat kumju ru ngalayo ban ya keren bat ki bor ki balor ha ke ba kinle ai na kumta ke jingan kam ke jung pajba
Following the recent announcement from